All right, let's look at the homework 5.3, problem number 6. All right, so we have f of x and g of y is given, and we want to find g double prime of pi over 6. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we need to find the first derivative first. G prime of y would be by fundamental theorem of calculus, so remove the integral sign and then put y in it, so it's going to be f of y. Alright, so if you want to find g double prime of y, that's just going to be f prime of y. Alright, so f of y would be integral from 0 to Alright, so we have to put y instead of x, so it's a sine of y and square root of 4 plus t squared with respect to t. Right? So if you take the derivative of that, what you need to do is you can plug in, so remove the integral sign, then we're going to plug in sine of y into t, so it's a 4 plus sine squared of y, right? And then you have to multiply by derivative of sine of y, which is cosine of y, right? So if you want to find g prime of pi over 6, then you will get square root of, right? So 4 plus, right, sine of pi over 6 would be 1/2. So it's going to be 1/2 squared multiplied by cosine of pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 2. Right, so let's simplify. So this is going to be square root of, right, so 1/2 square would be a 1/4. So it's going to be a 1/4. Right, and 4 is same thing as 16 over 4, and then you have to multiply by square root of 3 over 2. So this is going to be square root of 17, and square root of 4 is 2, then multiply by square root of 3 over 2. So this is going to be square root of 17 times 3 would be 3 times 17 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3, so it's a 51, and 2 times 2 is 4. Right? Let's type it in. So we got square root of 51 over 4. Right? Let's check the answer. All right, I came back and it looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.